Hello there, my name is Rob and I'm one of the consultants at ProVal. Today I'm going to go over creating a ticket template within PSA. Ticket templates can be helpful by automating a previously manual process, automatically placing things on your calendar, and ensuring work is not missed. Please click on the like and subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner so you never have to miss out on another video. Okay, so we're going to start out, as you can see, in PSA on the Today screen. To create a ticket template, we're going to go to Companies, open up Companies, and then we're going to search for the company we want to create the ticket template for. In this case, I'm going to use my test company, Robco. In the company, we're going to scroll over to the right and click on Ticket Templates. Now from here, if you wanted to create a new one, you can click the plus icon and that will create a new template. But in our case, what we're going to do is we're going to edit an existing one. So if I go in, I'm going to open up this test Rob Lunch template. And as a comparison, I'm going to show you under calendar, it created a template for today. So if I go back over to companies and go back to where I was, go back into ticket templates, go back into the one that was there. What I can do, just to give you an idea of what it's going to do, is I can change this ticket summary. So say I wanted to call it lunch block no work. I can go through and change the service board, change the status, change whatever I want. In addition, I can go here and tell it how often to create the templates for, so I can project them out 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. Once I have the template created, I would save it. Now in order to add resources, I would go over to resources. In this case, I am added to it myself. And you can see I've got the start date as of today. I'm going to change that to tomorrow so that you can see what will happen. I can tell it what time to start, how long, what time to end, and various other things based on repeating and such. If I save it, now if I want this to generate a ticket right now so I can see what it's doing, I can click on Generate Now. System is going to tell me what it did. And if I then pop back over to my calendar and refresh it, you can see that it created a ticket for tomorrow, modified the subject, and thus blocked out my calendar. This again will allow you to pre-plan things, especially recurring tasks, and ensure no client work is missed. Thank you for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge. Please let us know if there's anything you'd like to see, and let us know what your responses are to the video in the comments. Thank you.